Know what it is, man. Thuggalone Marco, aka 777, sending love, light, and positivity to everyone who's watching this video. Now, the video topic today is going to be on how to sun gaze for beginners. Now, before we start this video off, I want to say something. Do not just come out here and sun gaze and you ain't do no research on it, because if you don't, you're going to get your ass whipped by the sun. The sun is a living entity. It is not just a ball of fire. The sun holds plasma energy and is made for us melanated people and all races to be able to absorb the sun's light. Now, in Egyptian times, they called them Ra. That's why if you look on the Egyptian hieroglyphics, they had a sun in their hand, you feel me? Because they worship the sun. So anyways, what you want to do is get in nature, put your feet in the grass, ground yourself. Think of yourself as a tree. So put your feet in nature, boom. Now that you got your feet in nature, what you want to do is, man, before you look at the sun, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths like this. Each breath, hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, but make sure they deep though. Now that you have done that, right, I want you to make sure your eyes is closed and you are looking at the sun while doing this. You're still receiving energy from the sun while you're doing this, right? So after you've done that, open up your eyes and look for about 3 to 5 seconds. See, I could look at it all day, but so after that, close your eyes again, take 3 deep breaths, and each breath hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. So do it again. Make sure your eyes is hitting the sun, but keep them closed. Now this time you should be able to look at it for 5 to 7 seconds. After that, you are done for the day. Now what you want to do is, after you do these, the next day, do it for 8 seconds. The second time, do it for 10 seconds. And then as time passes on, you're slowly going to be able to build up a relationship with the sun, because the sun is here for you. You feel me? But you can't just go out there willy-nilly with it. You feel me? Because if not, the sun going to hurt your ass. You have to connect with it. You have to connect with it the same way you got to connect with Mother Nature. The same way, you know what I'm saying? You have to connect with the sun. You feel me? The sun ain't going to fuck with you if you had a low-ass vibration. But the sun, it does help you. Y'all could do y'all research on the benefits. I'm going to make a video on my 6 or 7 month sun gaze update video. I'm gonna do a video on that. But anyway, man, this is a quick video on how to sun gaze. I hope everyone is having a very safe and wonderful, blessed day. Anyways, Thuggalone Marco out. I love y'all.